Welcome one more time to Guangzhou. This amazing metropolis welcomes thousands of visitors from all around the world to the 139th edition of the Canton Fair. This time we're going to explore some of the most innovative products when it comes to home furnishing. In China, all this furniture is focusing on the smart features that makes our lives more convenient. So let's go and explore what options we can find in the Canton Fair today. The Canton Fair brings together over 30,000 exhibitors and attracts buyers from more than 200 countries and regions.
And this year's edition feels especially dynamic, more future-focused than ever, with standout products, technologies, and ideas all centered around what the home of the future could look like.
It says design inspires the future, and it's simply because all these products that you can find here in China, no matter what the area, no matter what is the industry, they're going to be innovative. They're incorporating so many sort of technology, but not just that. The ratio between quality and price is just the best. So I'm not really surprised to see why so many people want to come here to source their product.
China's been a source for quality for a while. My first impression in this hall is that everything is really good quality.
Every time you come, you see a product, it's really very innovative. They create things out of nowhere. You can't imagine even.
People come looking for innovation and new trends, like smart toilets. We've all heard about them. But now they're taking center stage at the Canton Fair, with features like automatic cleaning and adjustable water temperature control. They show how design and functionality are being integrated in everyday products.
This is a sample of what I was telling you about before when it comes to design and innovation. It's a very cool toilet that has a lot of technology embedded on it. Actually, it works with a remote control, but what got my attention is the unusual shape of it. Because when it comes to design, this is one of the companies that is trying to offer to the market something very unique and of course full of technology.
I also found these prefabricated homes. Those capsule-style pods that feel like a glimpse into the future of how people might live.
Prefabricated homes, we have seen them in many different kind of outdoor spaces like parks. And here at the Canton Fair, we have some of the best manufacturers of this new sort of trend.
Instead of building everything on site over months, these homes are made in factories and then assembled quickly wherever you need them. That alone saves a huge amount of time and cost.
A space or a room big enough to accommodate either a big table for dining or also could be a big bed. You have these huge glass panels, but also you have like a small balcony that you can go outside and have access to great views.
This is exactly the kind of technology and innovative products that people travel to the Canton Fair for, where they can see firsthand new ideas, smart design, and advanced manufacturing.
I think China's got a lot of innovative products that the UK is falling behind on so far. I literally source every product from the ground up. Yes, millions.
It is my first time at the Canton Fair. There's a lot of people in New Zealand talking about it and told us that you need to come here to see all the new ideas in the building industry.
It's just incredible to see the number of products and technologies that you can find here at the Canton Fair. But not just that, we're seeing so many people from so many nationalities coming to this very point in China just to source a product. And it's simply for one reason. The quality of Chinese products are increasingly improving in the last few years. So of course, the whole world is looking at China to provide those products.
When you come to Canton Fair, you have like a vision like a drone.
Yeah.
You can see everywhere, all the technologies coming through in the future. We can see like many different kinds of products here. Like a sofa is nice, here the chairs or offices is nice too.
Another great example is the smart mattress, which is also going way beyond just comfort. This can track your sleep patterns, control the temperature during the night, and even connect to apps to give you data about how well you're sleeping.
Here you can also find smart mattresses that you can control with a remote controller and set up different features like massage. That is something we're going to see in the home of the future, and you can find here at the Canton Fair.
But it's not just variety and innovation that drives visitors. The other key factor is pricing, and here it really matters a lot.
UK market is obviously very expensive, and we build high-rise buildings, so we need high volume.
The prices that we're getting, probably well under half delivered to New Zealand than what we would pay in New Zealand.
I asked visitors why they keep coming back to the Canton Fair year after year to source their product from China.
Even China as a total, it's just another world, it's another planet. It's really good to be here and check all the things.
Advanced technology, they do things so innovatively.
I think now China is more than like factory of the world. Now they have like more technology than Germany and Japan.
Huge difference. You've got scale, yeah, you've got technology, and I think the quality's coming up. So yeah, I think it's going to be huge.
This is the kind of technology that you can find here in China, and all these companies are developing to send to different parts of the world. The quality, the shape, and the innovation they bring to the market is really nice.
What really stands out is that it's not just about innovation, but also about scale and accessibility. You've got thousands of exhibitors, millions of products, and that's exactly why people keep coming back.